A 1926 Ford Model T, priced at $10,000, is ready for a new journey. This car, which has been in the same family for 40 years, is in good condition with a 4-cylinder engine. The interior has been recently refurbished, and the paintwork is still in good shape. It's not just a showpiece, it runs smoothly too. This classic car has been restored to its original condition, a testament to its timeless appeal. The images clearly showcase its captivating allure and sophistication. This is a unique opportunity to experience the joy of driving a piece of classic automotive design. A 1967 Mercury Cyclone GT, priced at $9,000, is ready to roar. This big block muscle car is equipped with a C6 automatic transmission, power steering, and power disc brakes. It's mostly solid, runs smoothly, and sounds great. It's all set for cruise nights. With a clean title status, this classic muscle car is a testament to the power and style of the 1960s automotive design. A 1951 Ford Sedan, priced at $5,900, is ready to hit the road. This 4-door sedan hails from Vegas and is equipped with air conditioning, a heater, and complete upholstery. It's a daily driver with good tires, a rebuilt 302 engine, and a rebuilt C4 transmission. The brakes are excellent, and it has a clean Nevada title. The car has been updated with an aluminum radiator and is completely upholstered in black and cream. The dual exhaust system gives it a great sound. The only rust is located in the trunk at the bottom of the spare tire holder. The car even comes with the original tire jack. A unique 1964 Jeep Willys Kaiser Wagoneer is available, a model that was only produced from 1963 to 1965. This custom vehicle is a Restomod, equipped with a complete drivetrain from a 1993 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Under the hood, it boasts a 4.9 liters inline 6-stroker with a custom cam, Ford racing injectors, Banks headers, and a K&N cold air intake. The vehicle features a 4-speed automatic transmission with a 231 transfer case, a Chrysler 8.25 rear end, and a 30 front axle, all geared at 3.55. Please note, the front drive shaft currently needs to be lengthened by a couple of inches for a proper fit. The body of the Jeep is in excellent condition, with only a few areas requiring minor body work. The vehicle is in great running condition, having recently completed a 600-mile journey from California to Clackamas in a single day. This classic vehicle, which does not have power steering or power brakes, is priced at $9,500. The current owner is open to trading for a diesel truck. The vehicle has a clean title and is registered in the current owner's name.